As you can hear, the cold is still thriving. Today, not only are we looking after 5 dogs, we look after 6 dogs, but all together, there's gonna be 7 dogs. One's gonna be a puppy. The madness is happening. It's happening now.
Hello, Fetty cheese.
So many doggies everywhere. It's fucking madness. But 7 dogs out for the bathroom at the same time. Welcome back to my life. I've missed you. I'm just making tea. It's not drugs, in case you thought it was. Just got the satisfying tea pour going. Oof, oof, sexy, hot, steamy tea. As you can hear, the cold is still thriving. When a bitch just won't die. I'm feeling a little bit better today, honestly, which is a fucking relief because I've got lots of stuff going on. Of course, I shall be vlogging it all, and I will fill you all in later. Would I even be a YouTube channel if I didn't try and create some unnecessary suspense? No, no, I wouldn't. This is the thing where you put your used tea bags in, which, yeah, it's good, but really it just promotes laziness because the bin's over there. So like once this gets full, you have to empty it, so it just, laziness. It's good for me though, because I can't be bothered to walk out, which is good. For those of you who have just appeared into my life on this very moment, welcome, please stay. Oh god, that first sip is like fucking drugs in my brain. I don't want to talk about drugs a lot this morning. I don't even do drugs. I mean, not like anyone would admit it if they did, but I have never done drugs. I am such a scaredy cat. I'd be too scared. I'd be like, I can't do no drugs because I'm gonna die. And also kids, if kids are watching, drugs are bad. That's what I'm trying to say. Back on subject. Today, not only are we looking after 5 dogs, look after 6 dogs, but all together there's gonna be 7 dogs. One's gonna be a puppy. So I hope you're ready for some fucking puppy cuteness because it's gonna be cute. She's called Feta. You've met her before if you've seen my channel. If you haven't, go and... Whoa, camera, whoa. The camera's been taking fucking drugs. So it's gonna be non-stop madness today and I'm gonna film it all for you. I'll see you when the dogs arrive. They arrived! The madness is happening! It's happening now.
Hello, Fetty cheese.
Doggies everywhere. It's fucking madness, but it's the madness that I ascribe to. Look at this little squishy. Look at this little squishy. She's a little squishy. She's a little squishy squish. You squishy squish. Archie boy, come here. And it's Archie boy, little Archie boy, and his new sister. He's not a big fan yet, but he will be. Why am I a ghost? Let's try and take these fucking mental bastards out. This is gonna be crazy. Let's let 7 dogs out for the bathroom at the same time. Okay. puppy poo outside. This is even more mental than I imagined it to be. Oh my god, I've got to feed all of these bastards. This is gonna be fucking chaos. I don't know if I should feed them all at once, feed them at separate times. Also, I wasn't planning on bathing this dog today, and I don't know if you can tell, but already she is covered in mud and I can't send her home like this, so guess who's having a bath? So without further ado, I'm gonna try and feed all of these dogs. Wish me luck. I don't know if I'll make it out alive. I'm gonna feed the guests first, because it's only polite, and let's feed Archie and Feta first. Archie boy has to be fed under the table because he's a shy boy. And I'm gonna stop this little munchkin eating his dinner. You're a munchkin. Archie's not thrilled about having a sister at the moment. He's still accepting the news, but once he does accept it, it's going to change his little life because he's gonna have a little sister companion for life, and he will be very happy and appreciative. But right now, he needs a little persuasion. One day, he gonna love you so much. He's gonna love you so much, he's not gonna know what to do with himself. And right now, he thinks you're just the annoying little baby. You are the annoying little baby, but you won't be forever. No, you're not an annoying little baby to me. You're a delight. Now it's time to feed my gang, my gang, my gang. To tie back the poodle's ears because they're getting his food. I think. Blink and you miss it. With Albus, it's down in one gulp. They all ate like a flash. So everyone's fucking fed. Now I'm gonna go back into the other room and hopefully the puppy hasn't wrecked the joint. It's very fucking bright now. So now what we do is we sit, we have a cup of tea and a banana and we watch the madness. I got my own entertainment. Watch my hot tea. Watch my hot tea. Hot tea, hot tea. I don't know why I say that like they understand English. You're trying to eat a banana on your own in peace. Hello, Pixie. Hello, you lot. Do you want something? Hey, you after something? Could it be my banana? He loves some banana. Greta loves some banana. Pixie, she loves some banana.
Easy as pie, lemon, apple or cherry. Loving you is so very sweet, sweet, sweet. How can it be such a piece of cake? And your smile is the icing. Loving you is a party. It's sweet, sweet.
It's a doggy play train.
Sweet, how can it be? And you make my candy coated heart melt. When you take my hand and I am under your spell, baby.
Oh, a quiet day in the midst of the doggy fucking madness. Craziness. I love it. This is the kind of piece I love. Hi, Archie boy. Hello, Archie boy. Hello, Archie boy. Hello. Look at him pretending he's not trying to give me cuddles. Archie boy. Hello. Oh. Was that a sly kiss? Was that a sly kiss? Albus. tongue in my mouth. Hello. Archie boy, look at this boy. Look at this boy. Look at, are you the best? Are you the best boy? Are you the best little Romanian gentleman? He's a Romanian gentleman. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. You got the smile on. You're sitting on top of me, you big lump. I don't know about you, but I'm very comfortable. Me and the doggies were all tuck it out, man. Now we're gonna go out for one last hurrah. Feta, she needs a bath because when she came here, she was motherfucking clean. Get her real fucking dirty before I have to get her real fucking clean. Yes. Come in. What's it? It's time to give the little snowball a bath. Look who's all done. She's a little marshmallow snowball. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's actually dark outside now. These are going home at about 10 o'clock tonight. Got them for the entire day. So I hope you enjoyed this. Archie's down there. He won't come up. And I'm not going to force him. If you did enjoy this video, then please subscribe because it helps my channel prosper. And you get to see more fucking cute fluffs like this. Okay, goodbye.